you know, it's finally getting a little bit warmer, so a delicious Cobb salad is exactly what you need in your life.
I'll tell you what, it's one of my favorite salads. I can have it anytime, but we're so glad Brooklyn Maple is here with Kentucky legend, and we've got Dave Kirk here. He's in our Super Home Surplus kitchen to talk about visiting an area near and dear to your heart.
Yes, I love Owensboro, and it's so important to us, and we thought we had such a great opportunity to actually bring in the best guy in town who knows everything about Owensboro. He's like, I know.
Mr. Owensboro himself.
Look at that.
How far away is Owensboro, Kentucky?
Owensboro's about 2 hours. It's 2 roads. You hop on 65, you hop on the Natcher, you're there. That easy.
Wow, and you have a lot of things going on in that area.
Absolutely. We've got the Barbecue Festival coming up, sponsored by Kentucky Legend, just around the corner.
Nice.
We've got Romp coming up, Bluegrass Festival. Owensboro is known for bluegrass, bourbon, and barbecue. What could go wrong there with those three things?
You know who I saw is playing? Ricky Skaggs.
Of course.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
So that's very cool. You've got an amazing lineup for those festivals.
Of course, Allison Krauss will be our headliner on Saturday.
That's
so we're looking
fantastic.
forward to that. Last weekend of June.
I love it. You know, I lived in Owensboro for 4 years. It's one of my places, still near and dear to my heart. Absolutely.
So come visit
Yeah,
us.
I know. I need to come hang out with you
We're 2
guys.
hours away. Like,
It's
just hop
not
on
far.
those 2 streets that he said you're supposed to
Absolutely.
hop on.
Yeah, it's not far. All right, so we're doing a salad,
Yes.
which I feel really healthy about, and I love you for.
Yeah, I'm so glad, because then we also throw in some bacon to it.
And I
but
love you for that, too.
Do you ever think I would come and do a salad without it?
Yeah.
So we're going to start off.
Okay.
Dave's going to handle the dressing because he's actually going to make it from scratch.
Oh. Look at you.
But I know he's
Dave.
like,
Does it all.
I know, it's Dave.
Ew.
So we have 8 cups of just a 50-50 spring mix.
Okay.
We're going to throw in, and I'm going to start, whatever way you want to start, but this is our oven roasted turkey breast. That's amazing, so light and healthy. This, if you want to grab that
Yeah, I was going to say, grab it and we're hand me that.
because it's already sliced. That's what makes it so great.
So it comes in different, I'm a big fan of this. It comes in different sizes in the grocery store. So if you don't want to get a really big one, you can get a little smaller one, but they're all pre-sliced. And then you just dice it up. Easy peasy.
Yes.
so easy.
Now, we've made this recipe a few times now, and honestly, it's like a pretty heavy recipe. Not heavy, but there's a lot of ingredients, so you really don't need to go all in. I'm really happy I chose the cheese first, so I could get that all over my
That's
hands.
excellent.
Now I'm passing it off to
Yeah,
you.
no, it's good.
So
Okay.
we are going to just put some eggs. That was goat cheese. That's
Okay.
technically, it would have been 4 ounces if we thought it was going to really
Just
happen
as
that
much
way.
as what you want.
Exactly.
Yeah, just do it.
Let's
The
not
thing with the
follow
Cobb
a
salad
recipe.
is
What? Let's just do
really
it.
what you need is you got the turkey, the bacon, the egg.
This is
I mean, that's an
protein.
expectation right there.
Hey, you know what?
feel like I'm gonna walk away
pure
and wipe my
protein.
hand.
Hold on, I'll
You
find
go
you
wipe
something.
that off.
Here we go. I got
I'm going to move into the citrus
Yes.
angle.
So we.
Here we go. We're here to serve. We're here to serve. I like
So
it.
we have an orange. We also have some snow peas. We usually
snow
put.
peas. I've never thought of that.
I know, it's
I
wild.
like
It took me a
that.
second to
Okay.
find them. I was like, what's the difference between snow and snap? And then we found out, and there's really not much.
Okay,
I didn't know there was a difference.
It is pretty.
We
It's
have
pretty.
radishes as well, and asparagus and onions that we're going to put on. So I'll pass it
love it.
over to Dave if he
All
wants
right,
to start
Dave.
putting that
Sure, a
dressing
nice
together.
light
that dressing.
vinaigrette. We start with a ½ cup of olive oil. I've also added 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar.
Nice.
Then we're going to hit it with a little bit of orange juice here. We'll go with about a tablespoon or so of that.
I'm amazed at how much you got in the actual mason jar.
That's nice.
You know,
Yeah.
That's the fun thing about salads is, they can kind of be a mess, but the end product all
all gonna
looks
work
good.
out.
It's
Do a
always
little
good.
bit of lemon juice as well, about a tablespoon there. Then we're going to go with about a teaspoon of honey.
Ooh.
I'm going to watch you try to
that.
pour that
Yeah,
out.
sometimes that's
Yeah, honey can be a little
Oh, I
tricky.
didn't
We'll
put the
do the
bacon.
well,
assist here.
especially when you do it TV way, because you put it in these cute little things, but then when you're trying to get it out,
Absolutely.
but you know how you do it at home. You just give it a good
Yep.
old squeeze. You just squeeze the bear.
Then we're going to go with about a tablespoon of garlic.
She's
Then
straight
we've
up.
got
It's the
some
bear.
shallots. We'll go with an entire shallot right in there.
Oh, that's going to have good
And
flavor.
then a little, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard.
Nice. You know, I never make my own dressing, but
Yep.
whenever it's made, you go, so much better.
And then this is the fancy thing, the zester. This is what makes your dish fancy. We'll go ahead and put a little lemon zest.
So
Do you feel
fancy.
like you're making it hard on yourself by using the mason jar?
You know, it's all for show, and it's going to help when we mix it. So it'll all work out in the end, I
Oh,
promise.
you're gonna put the lid on and give it a shake.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
What's more Kentucky than a mason jar?
That's beautiful.
You know what? I get it. I get it. There's a method to
There
your
we go.
madness.
I'm loving everything that's happening right
We
now.
also put on bacon. I know that we had missed that for a second, but we put in some of the amazing
did.
bacon.
Well, the Kentucky Legend bacon, listen, listen, it's coming out soon. It's not out in grocery
Not
stores yet,
yet.
but it will be. Kentucky Legend Project products, all at your grocery store.
Really good.
Go pick it up, this recipe, always at KentuckyLegend.com and on our website, todayinashville.com. Go to Owensboro.
Thanks
Check
for
it
hanging out with
Check
us
us
today.
out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming up. I love this event.